After-school routine. Effective for 9 to 17-year students. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Glow with grace every single day. School drains you, but this routine, it makes you feel aesthetic, calm, and productive. By following these 5 steps, your after-school routine will become productive and aesthetic. Step 1. Coming back home. Change into comfy clothes. In 5 minutes. Grab a light snack, like toast or cake in 10 minutes. Tidy up your desk in 10 minutes. This small reset makes you feel fresh and organized. Step 2. Study and homework. Open your planner and list the tasks for today. If you want to study productively, check out this video. Keep fairy lights or a candle nearby. It makes studying feel cozy, not boring. Step 3. Relax plus self-care. Wash your face and apply moisturizer. Do light stretches or a 10-minute workout. You can make yourself a cup of tea or just a glass of water to hydrate yourself. Step 4. Dinner plus family. Enjoy dinner with your family in 20 to 30 minutes. Step 5. Slow down time. You can do journaling or write down how your day went just for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pack your school bag. And if you're confused about what to pack in your bag, then check out this video. Link is given. Iron your clothes the night before. You can listen to a calm music or read a book before going to bed. Gentle after-school reminders. Don't grab your phone as soon as you get home. It wastes time and kills your focus. Keep your study space tidy. A clean desk equals a clear mind. Drink enough water. Hydration helps your skin and energy. Sleep early. Good rest keeps you glowing tomorrow. Remember, how you spend your after-school time shapes tomorrow. Skip the phone, rest, stay organized, and care for yourself. A calm mind and a well-rested body will always keep you glowing. By using these steps, your after-school time becomes calm, productive, and stress-free, helping you stay organized, feel refreshed, and glow every single day. These tips helpful. Don't forget to comment below which tip you're going to try first. Let's glow up together, gracefully and aesthetically. Also follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Take care and live gracefully.